Hey, hello everyone, hello guys, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyway, today we are going to try out some few clothes of my mom. We're going to try these clothes and you rate them. Hata sijui kazi zitanitoshea, but we have to try these clothes and see how they look on me and slay on them kiasi. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and let's start the video. Pop. Okay guys, I'm here again, and my introduction was really poor, like really poor. Anyways, here I am back again. I hope my mom will forgive me for this, but this is one dress nimechukua zenye nimepatana nazo. This is another one. I love this one. This is another one. And this. So we're going to try only 4 dresses today, and let's see how they look on me, like bitia kwa mezivaa zitakaaje. So guys, I hope you'll enjoy this video, and let's start wearing the clothes. Let's go to clothes number 1. Guys, okay, this is dress number 1. Even though inakaa the church girls, ni mrefu, inafika hapa, and then ni pana pia. So this is how the dress looks like, dress number 1. Yeah, this is dress number 1. So guys, mnaona inakaaje? Anyways, dress number 1 ndo hiyo. Let's go to dress number 2. Okay, this is dress number 2. This is dress number 2, and hizi ni zake ni baridi. So this is dress number 2. Mikono initoshei. It's really baggy, like ni baggy kabisa. Yeah, alafu nilikuwa nimesimama, it's really tall, like ndio hiyo, and still baggy. You see? But ukishika hivi ona kidogo. And by the way, got pockets. It has these pockets. Unaweka tu hivi pockets and slay. Okay guys, what do you think about dress number 2? Mnaona iko aje? Like, how is it according to you? Where? Anyways, let's go to dress number 3. Harusi tunayo hatuna. Hey! I like. Okay, just look at this dress, the way it looks like, as in, yeah, it ni baggy, but inakaa poa. Look, ona yani paka nyuma. Just see how cute this dress is. tunayo hatuna. And eh. eh. Woo! Slay in it. Like, hey! Bwana, nawaitia harusi very soon. Like, look at this dress. Venye inakaa poa. And woo! Anyway, this is dress number 3 ama ni 4? 3. And this is how it looks like. And it's really mrefu. Kwa kizungu nasema tu alama tunaita nini? Yeah. It's a cute one. It's a cute one, by the way. It's really cute. And I love it. Nimeipenda sana. Anyway, guys, comment and tell me dress number 3 imekuonea aje. Dress number 1 ilikuwa aje, number 2 ilikuwa aje, number 3 imekuwa aje. Yeah, just comment and tell me that. So guys, we're going to dress number 4 and the last dress. The last dress. So just watch it. Hey, hamna dress yoyote yenye imenifit. Naweza sema naweza toka nayo hapa niende mahali nayo. So guys, let's go to dress number 4. And I hope you're enjoying this. Please don't forget to like, comment, share this. Share share this YouTube channel, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed, guys. And yeah, stay tuned. We are going to dress number 4. Usene mali. We are going to dress number 4 right now. And yeah. Okay, guys, this is dress number 4. This is how it looks like. Unaona, it's inaka the rich aunties. Look this side. Just so adorable. Ni venye sasa ni baggy kwangu. It's really baggy. It has also the pocket bana. And mikono pia ni pana. Lakini niko na mikono tudogo. And the back of the dress inakaa hivyo. This is how it looks like. What do you think about this dress? And so I'm back again. Nakula carrot for healthy teeth. Anyway, I'm back again. And yeah, you have seen the 4 dresses, and the last one haijanifit pia. So, and I remembered, by the way, guys, I have this video I dressed on a dress ya mamangu. As in, unaona hizi dresses, they can be worn by anyone and they just fit in a way. So there's this dress. I'm going to post this video somewhere here. If I find the video, I'm going to post it somewhere here, and you're going to see it. It kind of fits me in a way. And yeah, it was wonderful doing this video with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll get some review from you guys, because I really need those reviews. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, and also like, comment, share, and tell a friend that there's this YouTuber that has started this year, and I need you to support her. So guys, please do this for me. And yeah, I guess now we come to the end of this video. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and please follow me in my social media handles at prettykate_. Follow me everywhere, and yeah, thank you for watching. Words, maneno zimeisha. Maneno zimeisha. So guys, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video to the end of it. And guys, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you so much to all my subscribers and to everyone who is watching this video. I love you so much. And toodles. Bye guys. Mwah.